All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I listen to music while you solve?
No, it's fine.
All right, go. Eight seconds. All right, you ready? Yeah, look me in the eyes. Look me straight in the eyes. Yeah, I started your inspection like 7 seconds ago. Wait, can you solve that?
Yeah. Why?
I mean, I just peel the stickers off, personally, huh? Bet you never heard of anyone who's ever done that before. I'm really original. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I like the way you're looking at me. That's a DNF. All right, look, before we start, I want to get one thing clear, okay? They say I'm the judge, right? But I want to be clear that this is a non-judgmental environment, okay? So even if you do badly, we're not going to think badly of you. Like, we don't think badly of anyone. I mean, we don't even think badly of Henry. Hey, before we start, I was just wondering, do you like this new deodorant I'm wearing? Diane, that solve was way long. How long was that? I gotta say though, those were some pretty fancy finger tricks. I'm sorry, I'll stop. Please don't outsu. Hey, do you mind if I eat a banana while you solve?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, ready? Henry, before we start, do you mind if I pump up the crowd a little bit? All right, guys, let's get pumped up. Let's go. Let's go. Get pumped up. Henry Helmuth's about to solve Rubik's Cube. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. This guy right. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1 second. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. 4 seconds. Henry? This is the blindfolded round?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. I lied again, DNF! Henry? This is a cup stacking competition? Alright, hey, do you mind if I film this solve for YouTube?
No, it's fine.
Alright, let's go.
What are you doing?
I'm filming it for YouTube.
I can hear you breathing.
8 seconds. All right, during the solve, there is one thing that I have to do. You know what that is?
No.
I have to do
the Harlem Shake.